Leslie, this is your Bugeye Iris. Why is it fun?
Iris is fun because she's beautiful, peppy, and she makes everybody smile that sees us and wave, and I love her. She's just adorable.
So what is it like driving this car for you?
It makes me feel like I'm on vacation, and I'm like extremely blessed and yeah, just happy. Really happy.
Anything else you'd want to tell other people thinking of adopting a Bugeye into their life?
Well, life is pretty good when you can ride around in a blue smiley sports car decked out like Iris.
Say that again, when you can ride around in a blue smiley?
When you can ride around in a blue car with a big smile that's on its face, and you make other people happy and you make yourself happy too. So it's just like the greatest. It's like being a kid again.
Is there anything difficult about using this car for you?
Nothing that I would call difficult. Sometimes I turn the blinker on and forget for a couple of blinks to turn it back, but I don't call that difficult.
I know that you're not really so much an old car person, but you also have this Morris Minor that you drive. And what's the difference between the two? Do you have any thoughts about that? That's a Morris Traveler, the
Right.
van.
Well, that car reminds me of my grandfather. The steering wheel especially is just, when I put my hands on it, it reminds me of my grandfather. I love the wood. If I need more space, I want to carry things around, that car is great for that. And it also makes everybody happy that sees it and asks me lots of questions, and it's fun.
And then in terms of using Iris, what's the difference between the two for you?
Well, Iris is much more of a sports car, and it's left-hand drive. The Morris is right-hand drive, and Iris is 5 speeds. Well, I guess Morris is 5-speed now too, but this one makes me just feel like a kid, and I guess Morris makes me feel like a kid too. I don't know.
All right, good job.
I guess I like feeling like a kid.